Hi, I'm Jess Maktal.
I'm Maryana Grinshpun, and our firm is Mammoth.
We are designers and builders, and this is our project on Lower Park Avenue. For this project, we really got to know the clients and how they wanted to live in the space, and we also prioritized preserving the historical details of this beautiful 1920s building. And that all starts in the entryway.
The foyer was just really about setting the mood. So we preserved the architectural detailing. The light is brass, and what's nice about it is that the bulb itself is directed upwards so that it bounces off the metal, creating a soft, natural, calming space.
Our design approach is very personal, and we love that the clients chose to hang some of their children's artwork from the picture rail that we restored for them.
Our clients entertain a lot, so we opened up this main space to make it conducive for gatherings. We picked walnut as the main wood for the entire space. We went darker, moodier, because we felt it was in line with the original details of this pre-war apartment.
As builders, we love to get into the details with custom millwork. We constructed these walnut cabinets with a custom walnut handle. One of the requirements for this project was a dining table. And so the beauty of custom cabinetry is that we could create a dining table that is also the kitchen island.
This is a really bold choice for stone. We didn't want to overpower the space, and so we used it on both the countertops and the backsplash.
The transformation is really remarkable, and we love how the kitchen is now open and integrated with the living area.
This is the living room, and it's the main space where our clients entertain. We want to create a space that celebrates its history, but also is built for the contemporary lives of our very modern clients. Here in the living room, we had a series of architectural interventions. One was opening up the kitchen and creating sort of connection between the kitchen and the living room.
Another intervention was adding these two closets to the living area to give our clients more storage space, which everyone needs in New York City. This is a working wood-burning fireplace, and it's one of the great features of this 1924 landmarked building. The proportions of this space are quite challenging in that it's very long. So we placed this large burl wood coffee table at the center of the room and organized the furniture around it.
Another challenge of this space was there was no natural place to put the sofa, so we decided to float it. We needed to select one that would look good from every direction.
We picked this contemporary sofa with a teak structure and a rust velvet cushion. And now follow us to the bedroom. In the bedroom, the first thing we did was figure out how to orient the bed. We placed it here opposite the large windows that have a view of Park Avenue and the Empire State Building.
We continued to play with warm and cool tones in the bedroom. We selected this feathered down headboard that is upholstered in baby blue mohair, and we contrasted it with this custom walnut wardrobe.
We knew we had to take advantage of these incredible windows, so we created a place for the client to sit and enjoy the view. This room was all about reconfiguring the existing space to improve the functionality and creating an oasis over Park Avenue.
We loved working with our clients on this project to bridge the past and the present.
We think it turned out great. Thanks for taking this tour with us.
Well, if you love what we show you on Open House, absolutely subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are adding new, amazing content all the time.